always do as I say, not as I do. Don't stick a green brush in your eye if you can't. I mean, if you want to, it's on you. More appropriate one is cuckoo. Cuckoo. Hi guys, it's Peitee. Today I have this colorful springtime look for you. I hope you will enjoy. I'm starting off with the eyeshadow primer. This is essential this time because I'm using a lot of bold colors. I want to use this eyeshadow first. It is a very matte purple, or fuchsia kind of purple, so I'm just going to tap. Grab a different brush, something that's not going to diffuse it too much, because I don't want to end up with that color up to my brow. For all the girls with hooded eyes, just bring it up enough so you can see the color. I love springtime, so many colors to work with. And you can do it in winter too, but spring is the time for color. I'm going to use this green now, and I'm using a tiny brush for this. And again, I really want to keep it quite tight next to the lash line. Okay, so now on the outer edge, I'm just gonna join them up. Okay, I'm going to go with this green a little on the top as well, just on the outer corner here, just to kind of join them up. I don't have a green liner, but I'm just going to mix a little bit of water with that green shade and add it to the waterline. And not everybody's eyes can tolerate that, so just maybe don't do it. Maybe just buy a green eyeliner just to put inside. But my eyes are fine with this, even though they're quite sensitive. But don't take my advice. Just do as I say, not as I do. Go and buy a green eyeliner. This palette also has a white shade, and I'm going to use that now. I don't want it to be very intense. I just want it to brighten the inner corner a touch. Now I'm going to prep my skin with Vaseline. I'm just warming it up in my hands. This is very unconventional, and if you have very oily skin, I definitely don't recommend this. But this is a trick that a lot of Hollywood stars would use. For example, Marilyn Monroe used this a lot in her makeup, or I guess her makeup artist Whitey used that for her, and it just gave her the most incredible glow, even with a lot of foundation and layers of makeup. So I'm just using a little bit in hopes that we can get a very glowy skin. So I'm using this foundation. This is a matte foundation. I'm just hoping it will give me enough coverage. And I'm going to mix it with some highlighter. So I'm taking some foundation and highlighter and I'm just mixing it. I'm gonna apply it with my hand. So now I can just conceal those odd areas that need concealing. So I'm taking a concealer in the same shade as my foundation. And with a teeny tiny brush, I'm just going to cover the red areas. So that makes it look incredibly natural, and you can still see your skin texture and some of the different colors in the face. Now I'm just gonna conceal my under eyes, and this is the Benefit concealer. Now, just to make sure that the concealing won't move, I'm going to use powder under the eyes and next to my mouth. Now I'm going to pop the lips on just to check how it will look, because I'm quite curious if this color is going to work with this arrangement that I have here. I wanted to do a brownie nude color. I think I'm just going to, use it as a stain, kind of. And just take a lip liner and just add some shape. I went back to the lipstick to kind of blend it in, but I think I'm gonna use a gloss on top, just because I think the glossy texture will look more modern, and also I think it will add some softness to this. I'm gonna curl my lashes, and I think I want to add brown mascara, but I'm just going to add a thin layer to the top and just paint the bottom ones. If you would like to know how to apply false lashes professionally, I do have a very in-depth video about that, and I will link it in the eye for you. It kind of looks softer to the eye because of the brown. This is a very dark brown mascara, this one anyways, but it does look brown in the mirror, but it kind of looks more impactful because of the layer of mascara on top of the lash. So it looks thicker and longer, but also softer. So it's a very weird effect, and I will just zoom in for you to see the difference. So now for the eyebrows, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade. I am just going to literally draw a couple of hairs where they are needed. I'm just using some eyebrow gel. Okay, now I want to use this contour and highlight kit. I don't want anything drastic, just want to put a shadow there where it belongs, where it's supposed to be. It does not belong all the way here, it belongs here. I'm just gonna use the same brush with the highlight side because I want it very diffused, and at this point there's not much bronzer left in here anyways. I think we need to add some blush, so I'm using this one. This is a liquid blush, so it will be very natural as well. I did add some powder products to the face, but I did not powder this area, this apple of the cheek. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please hit the thumbs up and also click the notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. Subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorials.